Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and today's video is going to be about another hair tool. This one's going to be a heated straightening brush. This is literally a brush that straightens your hair. I've never tried one of these, and I'm really interested in seeing how this is going to work on my hair. My hair is super long, so anything that makes my job easier when it comes to like getting my hair done, it's totally 100% welcome. I will say this was sent to me, but I'm honestly really interested in seeing how it's gonna work on my hair. Like, how fast is it gonna be like to just get my hair done? Or is it like, honestly, I'm gonna say this, every day, like, I don't do my hair every day just because I rather sleep. But if this is gonna make it possible for me to get those extra 10 minutes of sleep and get my hair done in the mornings as well, like, why not, you know? Okay, so I will say this was sent to me and it came in this box. It's just what I just told you, heated straightening brush, and it's from the brand JINRI. I believe that's how you pronounce it, JINRI or JINRI. And in the back we have the features. We have super light, user-friendly key lock feature, multiple heats, LED digital display, heats up in seconds. Obviously it's gonna make it faster to do my hair, and 30-degree sole cord. Okay, so let's open the box together. I did open it, I'm not gonna lie, but I did not take it out or anything. Just what you're gonna see is what I've seen so far. It comes with the brush over here. This is a brush, and it has little hair clips. These never work because my hair is too long, honestly, unless like I'm just putting my hair to the side, but we'll see if I end up using those. But let's see the brush. So here's the brush. Here's the cord. And we got the instructions right here. That's it. It says Miss JINRI. Please forgive me if I say it wrong, but I'm gonna be calling it JINRI. Sorry. I think that's a name. I think it's a name. And if I'm not saying it correctly, please forgive me. The brush is still in the bag. I'm gonna take off the bag. It's kind of heavy, not too heavy though, like it's like a good weight. And I'm gonna tell you also, my wrists are very weak and sensitive, so it's heavy but not that heavy, just letting you know. And it feels comfortable. So far it feels comfortable. I just took it out. Okay, so you can see the bristles. All right, so it has bristles all over it like a normal hairbrush, and in between it has these flat bristles, and I assume that's what would straighten your hair. They're pretty hard, but they're not stubby. They don't feel like they will hurt your scalp. Also, I do feel like the flat parts, they're a little bit, they stand out a little bit. I don't know if you can see. Hopefully you guys can see these flat parts. That's what I think would straighten your hair. And hopefully you can see. Okay, here are the bristles, and right here this part stands out a little bit more. I assume that also would be getting hot, but let's see, because if they do stand out, then that means these parts also touch your scalp. But we also have to read the instructions, so let's see if it gives specific instructions not to touch your scalp. I would touch my scalp. Okay. Ooh, I'm already dropping things, guys. I almost dropped my water. Okay, we already know not to keep it near the water. I'm reading right here, and those things that stand out, the flat, they're anti-scald cool tip bristles. Style hair close to roots without burning. Interesting. Huh. Okay, so the bottom part that I told you that it sends out, those are ceramic ionic plate and bristles, straightening and smooth as they glide through your hair. Oh, and this is amazing. I love this. It has automatic shut off. Amazing for me. I don't know if any of you guys experience this. All women, especially women or guys with long hair that you do your hair. Every single time that I use a hot hair tool, every single time that we walk out the door, I have to walk back in, even though I know that I most likely disconnected or turned off the tool. I always have to go back. So knowing that it has automatic shut off, it makes my heart like feel more at ease, and I don't have so much anxiety about leaving any of the hot tools on. Like, it makes my life easier emotionally. Okay, so I love that. Okay, let's move on now. First, let's connect it. I'm excited about this too. I'm excited about any hair tools, honestly. Anything that makes my life easier. Okay, I already connected it. Here, as you can see, there's the on button, and let's try turning it on. Hopefully you guys can see the temperature is going up. I think it's going up. Yes, it's going up. And we have it at 375. Let's leave it at 375 and we'll see how that goes with our hair while it heats up. Right now it's 174. In the meantime, I'm gonna see if it gives specific instructions about about styling. Right here it has styling tips. Separate a section of hair to be straightened. Place your straightening brush close to the roots of the section of hair with the bristles facing away from the face. Hold the hair firmly and brush from root to ends, making sure the section of hair is secured in bristles. Okay. Repeat steps 1 to 3 for each section of hair until hair is straightened. Okay, so we're just supposed to use it just like a regular brush and just make sure the bristles are facing away and just keep repeating until your hair is straightened. Okay, pretty simple. All right, let's take our hair down. Guys, I just got these two like 2 days ago and I'm in love with these because I haven't been able to find big claws for my hair. When I found them, I was like, I don't have a lot of hair, but because it's long, it's really hard for them to stay on these. I had these, right? I ordered these on Amazon, which these would work for anybody that has shorter hair than me or less hair. My hair wouldn't fit in here. Only if I only had like, if I did this maybe, and it would stay. But look at these, boom, love it. Anyway, so the brush just reached the temperature 375 and that was pretty quick actually. Before I put my hair down, it was already at that temperature. Okay, so here's my hair. I just blow dried it. So let me just brush my hair a little bit. So I'm gonna use a little bit of heat protectant. Never do your hair if you don't have heat protectant. I learned this the hard way. Brush again. Okay, so I never truly separate my hair. Right now I'm probably gonna do just half. I'm just gonna put it on the other side. Maybe these little claws will help me keep it there. We'll see, but they don't always work. Not with my hair. We'll see. I'm gonna grab a good section. That's normally the amount of hair that I would get. You guys can see how it is. It's frizzy. It's straight, but not that straight. Starting from the root and facing out. And I'm doing it in you guys' direction so you guys can see how it's working, if it's working. Making sure hair is secure. I feel like it's straightening the hair and it's also allowing it to keep some volume. Interesting. Also, I like that you don't have to keep it for long. It makes me feel like the hair is not getting as damaged because, I mean, it's not getting heated from all areas, like squeezed in between plates like it would regularly be in a hair straightener. Because when I touch it, it's not as hot as it would be with the hair straightener. That's pretty nice. Honestly, I'm surprised. We're not gonna go any more times, but that's because I feel like the hair is pretty straight right there. It's not frizzy. I mean, these always go all over the place with my hair. Let's try on the ends to see maybe if I can do like, I don't know, like some curl. Kind of like a wave. It did. I mean, it's not meant to do this. I know it's not meant to do this, but I want to see if it's possible. Yeah, I mean, it is a strainer. It's not supposed to do that anyway, but I like that I can create a little wave at the end at least. Okay, let's move on to another strand. Now, look at this. This is truly how my hair is right now. Look at that. You know, this is pretty comfortable. I think I will find myself using this. Like those moments that I just want my hair to look presentable, you know? Like, not like I just got up from the bed or something. Here it is, all done. That's pretty good. Okay, let's do this side. There's times that I want to film reels and I'm like, dang, but I have to do my hair, or like I have to, I mean, my makeup is a whole different story, you know, but like sometimes my hair, having to do my hair is what stops me from filming some reels. Bring it all together. Look at that. Yeah, I like it, guys. Since the hair is being brushed, like, and not being like squeezed in between two plates, like when I touch it, when I grab it right after like passing through the hair, it's not as hot as it would be if it was with the plate, which I like. All right, I'm gonna bring the rest of the hair back over here. I'm gonna pass the straightened part back. Guys, pay attention. Look at this, is how my hair looks unstraightened. There's some wave, there's some frizziness, and of course you guys are gonna see when I'm done with it. Also remember, this is in the 375 temperature, and I'm gonna try to do the other side with a higher temperature. Okay, See this strand? Okay, it's a little bit smaller, I know, but I'm gonna try to count the passes that it takes me for me to have it decently straightened. So here's 1, 2, I'm gonna say that's good enough. Let me just part my hair. Last piece on this side. My hair is straight, right? But it still has like that volume. Like it's not flat straight. We can keep going, but let's see if those plates are hot. They're not. I mean, they're warm a little bit, but they're not hot. So that means, yes, okay. So that means you can go comfortably over your scalp. I like it. Wow, this is really convenient. I like the convenience of it. You don't have to worry about this. You can literally treat it like a normal brush. I mean, be careful. Don't be all day here trying to like brush your hair, right? Because you know it's heated. But look at, I can do this and touch my hair like a normal brush. Amazing. Let's continue. Here's the straightened side and here is the unstraightened side. You guys can be the judge. You guys can see the difference. Okay, let's raise the temperature. The most that I've gone before is 410, but this one goes straight from 400 to 425. So we're gonna go with just 400. I don't want to push it. It's been doing a great job with the temperature that I already had. So for now, let's just try it with that temperature. And it was pretty quick. Okay, here is the strand. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, I put it just, I mean, still grabbed it, but. So obviously the hotter temperature will get it done faster and straighter. Guys, I'm falling in love with this thing. Less passes and straight. There we go. That was 3 passes right there with the 400 temperature. I'm sure you guys see that. This last part is going to be interesting because my bangs are always a little bit off. Honestly, I cut them myself. So I have not like tried to get them done even lately, but let's see. This is how they look right now, okay? All right, let's see how they look right now that I get them done. First, I always do this on the root. So right now I'm gonna do away. Oh, I forgot, you guys. I had to like put the camera lower so you guys saw the length of my hair. Wow. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. I like that drop. Okay. Again. What's going on? Okay, not bad. All right, let's do the roots right here. That's why I was pretty excited when I found out that you can touch your scalp, because this is a main problem for me right here. These hairs are always like acting funny when I straighten my hair, so I have to be really careful to straighten my hair in that area. So look at that. That's no issue at all. This product is good. I recommend it. I like it. Now let's try to brush these little baby hairs down, which it's doing a pretty good job if you ask me. Wow, you guys see that? Do you guys see that? So there's the hair. My hair feels soft, so this is the final look. As you can see, all straight and voluminous. Look at that, nicely straight. I enjoyed the product. I love the performance, and also keep in mind I did not go any higher than 400. Let's turn it on. It goes up to 450. I mean, I don't think you would need it any hotter than that. Also, the fact that I can just brush my hair carelessly without worrying about touching my scalp, that made it super comfortable. So far I do not have have anything bad to say about this, honestly. I don't think I've had anything bad to say about any hair products that I've gotten so far. No. I do have to mention, keep in mind the type of hair that you have, how thick it is, and how long it is. This experience was really fun and easy for me because my hair, it doesn't take too much to straighten it. It's not too tough, you know. Also, one of the tests specifically for me, it was how long, and it did not take too long. I've been filming for about an hour. That means it took about half the time just because of how I was explaining and talking to you guys at the same time. But if it wasn't, it would have probably taken me about 30 minutes. I can check and write down in the description exactly how long it took me because I do have the complete footage. But again, that's because my hair is really long. Well, it doesn't take too much to straighten it. It would take longer than usual. So just to give you an idea, here's how long my hair is. And my hair is really down here, right here. This is how long my hair is, and it took me about 30 minutes to straighten it. Again, that's pretty good timing, honestly, for me. That's just me guessing right now. It's not exactly 30 minutes. But if your hair is much shorter than mine, it would obviously take way less, 20-15 minutes. In my opinion, that's like amazing. And it did the job, which is mostly important. And like I told you before, I usually don't do my hair every single day. I put it up in a ponytail, or yeah, pretty much I just put it up in a ponytail. But this is gonna make me want to like have my hair down a lot more. Other comments that I do have about it is, keep in mind that my hair is wavy. If your hair is curly, it will probably take a lot longer to straighten your hair. I do recommend this product. I like the convenience of it and how easy it is. I did tell you guys earlier that it's a little bit on the heavy side, but I also told you that my wrists are pretty weak and I didn't have a problem. I didn't make my wrist hurt or anything, so that's pretty good. Also, I like and love the fact that you can use it near your scalp. It's just, I don't know, I think that's one of the things that I really liked about this product. Like, I can use it like a regular brush and not worry about getting myself burned. Like, even when I brush my hairs, like, or the strands, like when I touch my hair, I'm not worried about it burning my hands. I like that. That's pretty much it, guys. I did link the product in the description down below. I forgot to mention, you guys can purchase this product through Amazon, which is amazing because you can just add it to the cart and, you know, purchase it. And also, I have a 30% discount code, and yes, I do get a commission through that discount code. So if you'd like to support me, please use that code and get your 30% off. But anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also find me on Instagram as Zavala, and hopefully I will see you on my next video. Bye.